Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rejoin the same server that you joined maybe yesterday, maybe last week, maybe last month, maybe the first time that you opened the Roblox account and you want to join it again. So first of all, if you have the Roblox application on your PC, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll need to go and download it through any browser you are using. So once you open your browser, just go to the URL section and type roblox.com. From that, you'll need to log in into your account in the browser. But if you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Maybe you are new here. And of course, when you actually create your account, you will need to provide them with some information to create your account. Not a lot, just the birthday and username and password. And of course, when you log in into your account or create your account, make sure to verify your email. Maybe if you forget your password or so you can get it back, or and if you verify your email, you'll get even a free item. Who doesn't love a free item, right? Anyway, then they will provide you with a download link. Just go and click on it, download it on your PC. Once it's downloaded, you will need to install it, and of course just run it or open it. Once you do that, you'll find yourself here on me. So of course, from here also you can create an account if you don't have, and if you have, just go and click at the login option. For me here, I'm just going to enter my username and password. I'm going back to you right now. So once you actually do that, you will find yourself right here at this page. And of course, from here, you can actually find the games that you already played in this account. As you can see, you'll find here continue. You'll find a lot of games if you played a lot, and you find here the games that are suggested with for Roblox for you. And of course, if you want to rejoin a server that you already joined and you didn't find it here, just click at see all and you'll find them all, and just go and click at the server and click at play, and you'll be joining the server again. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.